Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to Satya's in Words. Today, we are going to build an enclosure for our Davis pentaloris. I have already made the background, so we will directly start by making the drainage layer. Davis pentaloris come from Guatemala. They like it when their substrate has some moisture in it. So we will build a drainage layer to prevent the substrate from getting waterlogged. The next step is to add a mesh on top of the drainage layer. This prevents the substrate from getting into the gravel and clogging everything. I wanted to add a plant to the enclosure as it would make it even more naturalistic. I'm not sure what kind of plant this is, but it's a nice plant. Maybe I'll ask the plant dude to identify this plant for me. Once the plant is in, it's now time to add the substrate. This is my own special super secret substrate blend, so I won't tell you what's in it. Just kidding. It's a mixture of clay, coco peat, vermicompost, charcoal, and sand. The substrate is rather dark, just like my future. I'm joking, by the way. I really enjoy patting down the substrate. There's about 5 inches of substrate at the deepest spot. We need to give the tarantula a hide. So I'll be using this beautiful piece of driftwood log for that purpose. I will make a starter burrow under the log so that the tarantula can construct her hide under it. We all know what is missing now. We need to add some leaf litter and some cleanup crew. Time for some cinematic shots. So, do you like the final look? I'm not hearing any answers, so I'll just pretend that you guys really loved my creation and are speechless. Let's remove the tarantula from its old boring enclosure and transfer her to her new nicer enclosure.
Hey, what are you doing? Let me go. Why do you keep moving my house? Stop harassing me.
That was really easy. Now let's just admire the tarantula.
What is this place? Did he abandon me? I'm finally free! Nice hole. Did you make it for me? Thank you, but I can make my own house. I don't need your help.
Such an ungrateful little creature she is, but I love her no matter what.
Stop filming my butt, you pervert!
That's all for this video. Hope you guys liked it. I will be back with another video next week. Goodbye.